What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I know I haven't been posting up and I've been doing a really bad job on keeping you guys updated on with the car, but just letting you guys know both of our cars are actually done. But if you guys haven't followed my Instagram, the Supra is done and it's making really good power, so make sure you check that out. And also, if you guys been watching my channel, there was a wide body STI that was being done, and if you guys didn't see my last video, it was at Elite where it was getting done, and we just got the car back yesterday. So if you guys want to check out the result in the car, here it is. Subaru and their vapes.
Sorry.
Y'all already know.
It's got the forged carbon though.
Oh.
That's real forged carbon. Yeah, the wing is coming next.
Look at that.
The rear diffuser.
So you have the wing coming?
Yep. The wing's coming, the diffuser.
The Varis wing?
Yep.
And the Varis rear diffuser?
Yep.
That's gonna look sick.
It'll finish off the whole exterior.
There you go. Man, this car is already sick as it is.
Yeah. Now I need to start working on the engine and keep up with your fast boys.
It's alright.
Sorry.
Check out his Instagram if you guys want to see more of his build.
Yeah, I post every now and then now. But I'll be posting more, probably more like on a daily, as soon as I start getting photo shoots done and stuff.
Yep. So now everybody wants to do photo shoot with this car.
Yeah.
Look at it though. I mean, who wouldn't? Such an eye candy. But loving these mirrors.
They look good, right?
Yeah.
I mean, they look small, but that's just the nature of GT mirrors. But they look a lot better than just like the regular like APR ones. I just like the stands on it. It flows pretty well.
20 plus piece to the Varis kit. Overall,
Yeah. So it's not like.
how you liking it?
I'm loving it, especially this is the second day I've had it.
Yeah.
It's a head turner for sure.
How's it like driving this thing though?
It's I gotta get used to it just because how wide the wheels are. It just grabs onto things a lot quicker.
You're running the R888s?
R888Rs, yeah.
Ooh, those sticky tires.
They're sticky.
All around?
Huh?
All around?
All around, yeah.
Dang.
They're 295 30s.
295 30s.
Yeah.
All around. So.
It's pretty impressive. I think I might want to go with a 35 wall next time. 30 just looks a little too thin.
I don't know. Yeah, wall looks pretty nice.
It looks nice when it's standing still, but when I see it rolling, it looks super thin. But that's just me though. It's a little dirty right now. It just kicks up so much shit.
And so much brake dust. So overall, look at it.
The Downstar hardware.
The hardware, all upgraded hardwares. Look at those wheels.
Yep.
Race.
Iconics, lug nuts in neochrome.
Look at those neochromes. How much did you spend for those?
Not as much as Tyler did. It was $240. I want to say like $240.
$240 for lug nuts.
They're nice though.
Yeah, they're super nice. Flows really well with the wheels.
Yeah. I was gonna go with black chrome originally, but
I know these stands out way more.
yeah, I just got lucky with these because they had these in stock. So
check that out. What you guys think? And then here's the front bumper. So the front fenders. Here's the front bumper. And then the side skirts on the other side.
Okay, so you see I have like these downstar hardware, and they stick out a little more than I would like. I wanted to sit more flush, but the ones that they have that are flush, the outer diameter is wider than what would fit over the Varis kit. So this was the next best thing, but they give you options on whether you want to use a rib nut or a rubber well nut. And I wouldn't use a rubber well nut because they have flanges, which you can see on some portions that are way too thick right here. So it pops out and it makes the kit not sit too flush on the body.
Yeah.
So you're better off trying to just use the aluminum rib nuts. They'll sit a little more flush and it won't pop out as much as that, but they made it work at the body shop. It was a little daunting.
Yeah, it took a while.
Yeah.
Say 2 months.
It took 2 months total, yeah.
Worth the wait though, right?
It was worth the wait, yep.
So, look at it. So there you guys have it. Just take into consideration some bolts.
Yeah, you could find other hardware out there that would sit a little more flush and not poke out as much.
Yeah. So you got that all around the car, right?
Yeah, it's all over.
It's all over.
Yeah.
So you can see like machine gun bullet holes all over the place. All around.
I mean, ultimately, I want to get it molded into the body. But
Yeah.
That in itself is a whole nother like month or so of body work, depending on how busy they are.
Alright, so there you guys have it. The STI Widebody Varis kit is semi-complete. We're just waiting for a couple more parts and that's going to be put on, and then pretty much the exterior of the car is going to look freaking amazing. So the Supra is actually done too. I'm going to do another video on that, so I'm going to do a whole breakdown of the car. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys subscribe, like, follow my Instagram for any updates on the car, and until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.